For your inverse homework, we're going to take a look at the original graph and its inverse. One of the most important things to do is to take a point and interchange the x and the y and look for it on the new graph. That'll show you that they're inverses. So number 15 gives us C, number 16 gives us B, and this line actually is itself. If you draw the y equals x line, you'll see the reflection over it. 17 is A, and 18 is D. Kind of like this is almost like your trig inverse for your tangent, when you do a tangent inverse. Okay, in 19 through 25, we're doing f of g and g of f, and we're proving that they're equal to x. We can also then put it on our graph and draw the y equals x line and show the reflection over that. When you do this in your calculator, sometimes it's better to do a zoom 5. You get a better look, a square look. It's no distortion. In number 21, notice they're restricting the domain because this is a parabola, and a parabola does not pass a horizontal line test. So they're going to restrict the domain to only the increasing part, and they're going to reflect that. They're going to show that these two are inverses of each other. And yes, they are. In 25, even though it kind of looks a little bit bad with the fraction, all will work out. As you plug 1 into the x for this, and then you do the reverse, you can see by multiplying these, you'll be able to reduce them. In 45 and 47, you're checking to see if it's a 1-to-1. It needs to pass a vertical line test as well as a horizontal line test, so that its inverse will also be a function. We have a few more of these. 49, it does not pass a horizontal. 51, if you have a vertical or a horizontal line, it's not going to pass both tests at the same time. 53 is a 1-to-1, and 55 fails because of that little steady one up on top. For the next couple of ones, we're just going to take them and find the inverse equation. You are interchanging your y and your x, and then you're solving for y. And then use your function notation to show your inverse. And if you want to graph them, put them on your graph, and you can see that they're true inverses. And the last one you had was 73. You do a fifth root just like you would do a square root or a cube root. You'll undo it taking its fifth root.